Welcome to Introduction to Geospatial Technology. My name is Mark Epstein. I am Director of the California Environmental Technology Education Network and the primary instructor in the Geospatial Technology program. I will be your instructor for this program that will be in cooperation with your classroom teacher. The purpose of this course is to teach you basic mapping skills, is teach you the new skills in the geospatial technology, to introduce you to the mathematics behind geographic concepts, to give you a foundational skill set with geospatial technology skills, and to begin to have you think about objects and maps in 3 dimensions rather than 2 dimensions, and then they'll offer those of you who are interested in show talent opportunity to enter into a micro program of study to complete with your high school diploma. To complete this course, you will need to have good internet access, either at home or through your school, or a combination of both, or through your smartphones. You'll need to open and have access to an Edmodo account online. You will have to have access to video services online, including YouTube and a couple others. And you will be opening and need to able to have access to an ArcGIS online public account. Both the Edmodo accounts and the ArcGIS online accounts will be taught as we move forward. This course will follow what's called a flipped or blended or modified flipped embedded instructional style. You will be watching short lecture videos like the one that is presenting here on the introduction of the course. At the end of each of the videos, you will be given an assignment, most of them which will be done in class with your classroom teacher. You will complete those assignments that will have a variety of formats, and they will be submitted as posts or links on Edmodo as either Word documents, JPEG images, or a link to a web map. Grades in this course are determined as a partnership with your classroom teacher. There will be assignments, and how those grading assignments will be determined between your classroom teacher and I. We are also looking as far as having exams, potentially a midterm and final exam. Again, that will depend upon the working relationship with your teacher, and there may be some online quizzes along the way to help reinforce and help you with studying habits. So your first assignment is going to be creating and opening up an Edmodo account. There has already been set up an Edmodo group with your teacher, and your teacher will show you how to open up the Edmodo website and will provide you with the code to open up an account to access the assignments for this group and how to submit them. The first assignment will be to write a short little essay, a little bit about you, and you will write this as a Word document, and you will attach the document in a post to our Edmodo group. I would also suggest that once you have your Edmodo group, Edmodo account created, that with your smartphone you go to your app store with whoever your provider is, and to do a search for the Edmodo app. And that way you would be able to access the messages and the links to the instructional videos through your smartphone, and will be able to post messages or questions through your smartphone. So let's talk about a little bit of what should be included in this little autobiographical essay. Some of the things is where are you from? Maybe some information about your family, whether you're the oldest, the youngest, how many brothers and sisters you may have, and other little information about your family. I'd be interested in as far as your academic interests, what subjects interest you the most, what subjects interest you the least, what you consider your strong subjects, your weak subjects. Interests in careers. Most of you who are taking this course are either 9th or 10th graders, and this is a time where you should actually be paying very much attention to what your career interests are, so you can select high school courses and begin look at what you're going to do and what kind of training you're going to need post-secondary. I'm also interested in what you like to do in your free time. And a lot of you are in these career academies or pathways, and I'd be interested to know why you decided to join that pathway. Different students have different reasons for joining career academies and career pathway programs, and just like to see what your motivations are. So that's your assignment, and submit those to me on Edmodo, and you'll be hearing from me on the next lesson.